All right, here are the directions for your math boxes today. Now, math boxes 7, 8 line up with math boxes 7, 5. So go back and check math boxes 7, 5 if you have a question on directions, or go back and check it to make sure you got everything correct. Everyone has a link to their graded work, so everybody should have math box 7, 5 that you can go back and look at. All right, number 1. If you roll a regular six-sided die, what is the probability of getting a 5, a prime number, an even number, a multiple of 3? Okay, remember with probability, all of these are going to be fractions. All of these are going to be fractions. If you're rolling a six-sided die, the denominator of all these fractions is going to be 6. Okay? Number 2. Juno bought items at the store that totaled $13.95. He gave the cashier a $20 bill. How much change did he get back? Be careful, we're talking about money. If we have dollar signs in the answer, we should have, in the question, we should have that in the answer as well. I will be taking off points for that if you do not have that in your answer. Number 3, use a calculator to rename each of the following in standard notation. I want the answer. I don't want 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. I want what that equals. You can use your calculator to do that. Okay, everybody should have their calculator at home. Number 4, read the graph and answer the questions. Okay, so we have our line graph here. Okay, we have lunches sold. We have number of lunches on the left, and then we have Monday through Friday on the bottom. It says how many more lunches were sold on Wednesday than on Friday, and what is the range of the number of lunches sold. Okay. All right, moving on to number 5. You're going to compare. You're going to write less than or greater than. Notice they're the same number of decimals on both sides. So we have 3 over here and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3. Okay, watch your whole numbers as well as your decimals when you're comparing those. All right, and then number 6, write each mixed number as a fraction. You're writing this as an improper fraction. Okay, so for example, if we have 3 and 4/7, we're going to do 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So for A, it would be 25 over 7. Your denominators are all still going to be the same. All right, so these are your directions for your math boxes. Remember, you can go back and look at math boxes 7, 5 to help you if you need to.